Hey everyone, it's Sophia, your Central Florida investor and faith-led friend. Around here, we talk about real estate, wealth, and walking in faith. Today, we're diving deeper into what it really means to be still in the home buying process, not just spiritually, but practically. Let's break down how faith and smart decisions work hand in hand when you're buying a home. So let's be real. Buying a home can feel really overwhelming with competing offers, rising interest rates, not knowing if you'll find the right house, etc. But Psalm 46, verse 10 reminds us, "Be still and know that I am God." Peace doesn't come from the market. Peace comes from the master. And when God is leading you, you don't have to panic about missing out. What's meant for you cannot pass you by, period. Now, let's talk about the process of buying a home. Before you fall in love with a home, you need to know your numbers. So step one, get a pre-approval from a lender. A pre-approval tells you a number of things. Number one, it can tell you exactly how much house you can afford. It'll also give you an idea of what your estimated payment would be monthly. It'll also tell you what loans you can qualify for. This is important because we need to know which strategy to use in the market. So this is where stillness comes in because God is going to always help us make the decision. Step two, identify your must-haves versus preferences. A home doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be purposeful. So I like to sit down with my clients and create a must-have list. Location, bedrooms, budget, nice to-haves, updated kitchen, big yard, etc., and non-negotiables, schools, zones, commute, safety, etc. When you're clear on your calling, your home search becomes clearer too. Step three, touring homes with discernment. When you would tour homes, don't just look with your eyes, look with your spirit. Ask yourself, do I feel pressured or do I feel peace? Does this home support the lifestyle God is calling me to? And can I see my family growing here? Those are three big questions you want to ask yourself because remember, the right home brings peace, not panic. Step four, making an offer without fear. Once you find the home you love, I'll help you put together a strong offer that reflects wisdom, not desperation. Your offer shouldn't be driven by fear of losing. It should be driven by faith that the right door will open. Step five, inspections, appraisals, and the waiting gap. This is the part buyers get most anxious about. The period where your offer is accepted, but you're waiting on inspections, appraisal, etc. This is where Psalm 46 becomes real. Be still. God is working behind the scenes, even when you don't see movement. Step six, closing day. You did it. And then the final chapter, signing those keys into your hands. But remember, it wasn't me. It wasn't the lender or the market. It was God's timing, God's guidance, and God's peace. Being still doesn't mean sitting back and doing nothing. Being still means trusting that God sees what you can't. It means praying before making big decisions. It means stepping forward with wisdom, not with worry. If you are feeling overwhelmed or anxious about buying a home, take a breath. This season requires faith, not fear. Don't rush, don't compare, don't panic. Let God lead the process from pre-approval to closing. And as always, remember you are led by Jesus because only He can lead you home. Take care. Until next time, guys.